good. Today we have speaking test. Are you ready? Yes, right. Okay, so let's introduce ourselves. My name is Teacher Cindy. What is your name?
My name is Lila.
Lila, how are you today?
Happy.
How old are you?
Seven.
Yes, I'm seven. Very good. Okay, so let's start. Yes. Yes, very good. Okay, so what's this?
Pen. Pencil. Eraser.
Okay.
Ruler.
Okay.
Pencil case.
Okay.
Pepper.
Very good. Okay, so teacher asks you, what is it? You will say, it's a pen, it's a backpack. Ready? Okay, what is it?
It's a pen.
What is it?
It's a ruler.
Okay, what is it?
It's a pencil.
Wow, good job. Okay, again, what is this?
Poop. Notebook. Pen. Pen.
Yes, very good. Okay, so you will say, it's, for example, it's a book, it isn't a notebook. Do you understand? Okay, can you say?
It's a poop. It's a laptop.
It isn't a notebook. Okay, can you try this about this one? What is it? It's it isn't what is this? Yes, very good. Okay, what shape is it? Sir? Yes, good. What shape is it? Okay. Triangle. Okay, what is it? Rectangle. Okay, can you speak it up? Rectangle. Yes, very good. Okay, so teacher, I will ask you. You will say, what is it? Yes, it is. Can you say it? Yes. Louder. Yes. Okay, how about this one? No, it isn't. Can you say it?
No, it isn't.
Yes, very good. Okay, so teacher asks you, is it a circle?
Yes.
It, yes,
Yes.
it is.
Yes, it is.
Yes, very good. Is it a triangle? Yes.
Yes, it is.
Very good. Is it a triangle?
No,
It is.
isn't.
Okay, good job. Is it a circle?
No, it
Isn't.
isn't.
Okay, good job, Linda. Okay, now, what is this?
Pen. Paper.
Okay, very good. Chalk.
Chalk.
Okay, what is it?
Jam.
Okay.
Glue.
Okay.
Tape.
Okay, good job. Okay. Teacher asks you what's this, you will say this is pen, this is paper. You understand? Okay, for example, what is this? This is
E.
is
Glue.
okay, good job. How about this one?
E. Pen.
It's pen. How about this one? This is
E. Paper.
okay, good job. Okay, what color is it?
Red. Yellow. Blue. What? Black.
Okay, very good. Okay, so later you say, what color is it? Say, it's red, it's yellow. Okay, ready? What color is it? It's
Red. It's yellow.
okay.
It's blue. It's white. It's black.
Wow, very good. Okay, what color is it? It's what color is it? Green.
Green.
Okay, what color is it? Purple.
Purple.
Yes, very good. Oh, orange. Okay, what color is it?
Pink.
Gray. Brown. Okay, Make. What color is it? Purple. Okay, good job. What color is it? Red. Make. Yes, very good. Okay, good. Goodbye, teacher.